So,
Yeah.
so can you explain that second step one more
Sir, can
time?
I go back one time?
Explain once again because recording started now.
Okay.
Whenever you have 1 minus cos 2x upon x square, teaching you limit extending to 0, 1 minus cos x upon x square. दोनों प्रॉब्लम कैसे करना है? First and foremost thing, you have a formula for cos 2 theta, which is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So if you bring this side and this side, 1 minus cos 2 theta is always 2 sine square theta. Remember, whenever you come across 1 minus cos, start with a 2. Sine को square होना चाहिए. Angle half होना चाहिए, half of the angle. So if it is 1 minus cos 4x, your answer would be 2 sine square
2x.
If it is 1 minus cos 3x,
2 sine square 3x by 2.
yes, 3x by 2. If it is 1 minus cos x,
2
X by
sine
2.
square x by 2.
x by 2. Everybody learned this? Have you learned this formula?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you can, in place of this 1 minus cos 2x, what you can write?
No, 2 sine
2 sine square x.
2 sine square half the angle. 2x half is x.
x.
Denominator is square, always square. Why it should be square always? Then only the degree will match. If degree matches only, we can write whole square. Then 2 goes outside. Now both the terms have square in it. So whenever square is there, we make it whole square. So your answer became 2 into 1 square. Now tell me any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Answer is 2. Okay. Now George,
Yes, sir.
answer me this question. Limit extending to 0. What should I write in place of 1 minus cos x?
Sir, 2 sine square x
By 2
by 2. Yes, sir. By 2.
upon x
Upon
square.
x square.
What should I do with this 2?
So bring 2 outside and the rest you can put in bracket the whole square.
Yeah, sine x by 2 upon x the whole square. Next, what do you have to do?
Then multiply and divide with half.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Half.
So then that sine x upon that becomes 1 into half.
So
Yes,
2
sir.
into 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Answer is 1
That
by
is 1
1 by
upon
2.
2.
Yes, sir.
4. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, one more question. Have you noted?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a type 1 or type 2, one type of it. Now, write next type, which you already did once. Once again, we'll practice. Limit extending to 0, cos 2x minus cos 8x. What should be the denominator? X or x square?
X square.
Square. Because when you do cos c minus cos d, what we're applying? Cos c minus cos d.
Minus cos d.
Formula starts with 2 sine average
C
of the angle
plus D by 2.
plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2.
If D is greater, na sir, if D is not greater, then we will write it as C minus D by 2.
With a minus sign here.
Okay.
So if you apply that formula, what will be my answer for this? Let's see. Limit x tending to 0. It becomes 2 sine, add both 2x plus 8x by 2 into sine 8x minus 2x by 2 divided by x square. Now we'll calculate this bracket. Sine 5x into sine 3x. 1x over here and 1x over here. This x square is splitted as x into x. So 2 into limit extending to 0. Sine 5x आएगा तो नीचे क्या आना चाहिए?
5x
5x into 5.
5.
And your sine 3x upon 3x into 3.
Correct. And your answer became 2 into 1 into 5 into 1 into 3 became 30.
Hmm.
Yes, Chirag, thank you. Arunati, correct. Very good. Nice. I hope 2 types of problem are clear.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I'm going to give you today a lot of practice on this. You have to be expert on this. This 2 problem. I'll put different numbers and give you. Everybody has written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Writing.
Yes, sir. Written.
Right. When you finish, you tell me. Okay, now let's try one more. Limit extending to 0, 2 sine x minus sine 2x upon x cube. Now started with the trigonometric game. What can anybody, any doubt? Anybody can tell me what method to be applied? Any suggestion?
Sine 2x can be written as 2 sin x into cos x,
Very good, excellent. So good.
and 2 sin x common we can take.
2 sin x minus 2 sin x cos x. Anybody having a doubt from where this magic has happened?
Sir, formula, sir.
Yeah,
That
sine
is only the magic, sir.
2 theta. It is sine of theta plus theta. When you expand this sine a plus b ka formula, sine theta cos theta plus cos theta sine theta. That became 2 times same thing. So 2 sine theta cos theta. You remember, no?
Yes, sir.
That is how you got this formula. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Now what I can do next step?
2 sin x common, then
2 sine x common.
1 minus cos x in bracket.
1 minus cos x in bracket. Whenever you see 1 minus cos x, what should I do?
Convert it into sine
Yes, sir.
formula.
Yes, sir.
Formula.
2 sin square x by 2.
2 sine square x by 2.
2 sine x into 2 sine square x by 2. Is it okay? Now, how many numbers you multiply? Any doubt anywhere? Anybody?
No, sir.
From where you got this, you understood? 1 minus cos x
Yes, sir.
starts with 2
2 sine square
sine
x
half
by
tan.
2.
All right, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X
Yes,
requires
sir.
1x, sine square requires another x square. So 4 outside, sine x upon x,
You took both the
Sine
twos
square.
outside. Okay.
x by 2 upon x square. Everybody agree with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So the way I wrote x by 2, don't mess it up. And the angle part is x by 2. Bracket डालना जरूरत नहीं है. Now 4 into, one more step I'll write, sine x upon x, here sine x by 2 upon x the whole square. Now you
1
can
will be the answer.
complete it yourself. Complete it yourself.
1 will be the answer.
Yeah, I am in the class. I'll call you back after 30 minutes. 11:30.
1.
Yes.
एंड इधर क्या करेंगे?
Divide and multiply by half.
Divide and multiply by half. So 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 the whole square.
1 is answer.
ना वही पढ़े
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please note this once again.
Sir, I didn't understand how 1 minus cos x came.
If I take what is common here,
2 sin x.
2 sin x. ये 2 sin x को बाहर निकालेगा तो बाकी अंदर इसके जगह पे 1 आएगा और
Yes,
इसके जगह पे cos x आएगा.
yes,
Sir, last step, can you explain again?
Which one?
They are around that side only, right side.
This one.
From there. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you saw sin x. Sin x तो इसके नीचे क्या आना चाहिए? X आना चाहिए ना?
Yes.
और sin square x के नीचे x square होना चाहिए. तो मैंने split किया दोनों को.
Oh, okay.
अगर स्क्वायर है तो क्या करना चाहिए? होल स्क्वायर करना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
फिर एंगल को सेम करना है. डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 2. वो तो सब आपको मालूम है.
Sir, that 1 is common or what?
Which one?
Yes, sir, which you took
इसमें ये
outside.
1 ना, इसका वैल्यू 1 मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना.
Oh, okay. You brought it out.
Yeah. 4 into 1, then इसका लिमिट ही कैलकुलेट करना है. sin x upon x इधर भी 1 डाल सकता है. You can put 1 over here itself.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for next problem?
Yes, sir.
Sir, writing, sir, last.
sir. I think
Upon x.
Yes, sir.
Done? Now,
Done.
now do this problem. Limit x tending to 0. Cosec x minus cot x upon x. तो पहला क्या करना चाहिए?
Sir,
So
1 by
convert the
sin x
cosec
लगाना
and
होगा.
cot
One
into
into
sin
sin
and cos ratio.
Cos by sin x.
Yes. All of you said correct. Make everything in sin and cos.
Sin and cos.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 1 by sin x.
1 by sin x
And this will
minus
become
cos x upon sin x
sin x.
upon x.
Whole upon x.
Yes, sir.
See, presentation is very important, otherwise you'll get confused. Now, this sin x is common for both denominator. So you can imagine it to be
Common
like this.
denominator.
Now this became 1 minus cos x upon x sin x.
Sir, that x came up.
So much is clear. Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
No, sir.
When you see 1 minus cos x, you should be very happy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You can replace it by a
2
formula.
sin square x.
2 sin square theta by 2.
Theta
2
by
sin
2.
square, here theta के जगह x आएगा ना.
X by
X
2.
upon 2.
X by 2.
So limit x tending to 0. 2 sin square x by 2 upon x sin x.
X sin x.
After you have written this, stop for a minute.
Sir, x and x they become x square.
1 minute. This is the idea you need to apply. Whenever you see a sin square, whatever may be the angle, you need an x square below it. So you can't bring an x square just like that. You have to divide numerator and denominator by x square. Now tell me, Austin, why you divided only by x square? You should have divided by x or x cube or x raised to 5. Kyun x square अकेला ही लिया?
So that we can take the whole square.
Yes, because square it is. If I want to make it whole square, I have to have x square in the denominator. Otherwise, it will not become formula.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 1x and 1x got cancelled. Now check whether it's all matching. Square है तो square है, sine है तो x है. Matching हो गया. Now you can just make them into formula. Limit x tending to 0, sine, see the way I'm writing, x by 2 upon x, the whole square. और नीचे भी लिमिट नहीं लिखेगा तो भी चलेगा, लिखेगा तो और अच्छा है. You write this way, it is good. Now what to do, tell me? I need what in the denominator? X by 2, no?
Yes, sir. Divide multiplied by half. So that denominator becomes 1.
1. And everything now became 1. This also became 1. So now the answer became very easy for me. 2 into 1 into half the whole square upon 1. So 2 into 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Feeling difficult?
So I just wanted to ask one thing. Even if you don't consider that sin x in denominator, it would be fine now, because ultimately when you substitute 1 in place of x, you will get 1 as the answer now.
No.
So no, the
Unless we have
one step
one-
below that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you write 1. Okay. That is, you are cutting down the step. Actually, we are supposed to, with the limit, it becomes 1. Remember one thing. Sine of any angle upon the angle is not 1. Only when the angle is tending to 0, that time only the answer is 1. So that's why this limit is required. But exam में समझो तुमने इधर direct 1 लिखा तो भी I'll give full marks. It's okay. Actually, without this limit, you are not supposed to replace this by 1. You got the point, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Suppose I would have written sin x upon x. This is not 1. This will be 1 only when limit is there. Then only it will become 1. Why? Sine of any number divided by any number is not 1. Sine of
Is not 1.
number.
Unless and until you have limit by its side, it will become 1.
Yes, exactly. You got the point. You got the point. Can I teach you another one?
Yes,
Sir, I'm writing, sir.
Yes, sir.
I was listening, sir, how you
No
explain.
problem. You can always do that. Okay. Now, what can we do with this tan x?
Converted by sin.
Sine
The
by
sine
cos.
upon cos.
Sin x upon cos x. Now, what can I do next step?
LCM.
LCM. Because we have nothing else. These are only possibility there. You agree with me that LCM will come to denominator? This LCM 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 5. This 2 will multiply and 2 will come 1 into 6 upon 2 into 5. ऐसा हो जाता है ना? ये 2 इसके साथ multiply करेगा, फिर वो 2 denominator में आएगा. ये cos x इसके साथ multiply करेगा, फिर cos x denominator में आएगा. बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अभी क्या
Sin x common.
हाँ, sin
Sin
x common. Sin x common. Whenever you see 1 minus cos x, very happy. What can I do with 1 minus cos x?
2 sine
Sin
square
square x
upon
upon
2.
2.
Can you start writing with me? Some of you are writing, some of you are not writing. I want you to, George, start writing.
Sir, writing, sir, now.
Yeah. Now those who are completed writing, replace 1 minus cos x by its correct formula.
Even sin x and cos x can be converted to tan x. Tan x upon x, then 1 only will come.
That is also possible.
Because x square will go that other for the other one.
Yeah, but it's okay. Even if you keep it, it doesn't matter. I want to show you that even if you keep it, what will happen? What you said is perfectly right, and I like that. But I want to teach you that even if that cos x is there, no problem.
So x cube it is actually.
What to do with this x cube now?
X square can be done for the other one, like 2
Sin
sin
x
square
upon
x by 2.
Now,
Yes,
this
sir.
arrangement, what I'm doing is most important. Everybody look at the board properly. Sin x के नीचे एक x चाहिए. Sin square
Yes.
x by 2 के नीचे एक
X
x.
square
Square.
अभी फिर if a
cos
बेचारा
x.
cos x over here. Why did I call him बेचारा?
It's alone.
Because when you put the limit for cos, it becomes cos 0. And
Oh,
cos 0 का value 1 है.
is 1.
So it is not harming us. It
Okay.
is harming us. 1 which becomes 0 harming us. So if it is becoming 0, I cannot directly apply the limit. अभी इसको 1 लिख सकते हैं चाहिए तो फिर इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं limit x tending to 0 sin x by 2 upon x the whole square और इसको 1 by cos 0.
1 by 2 is the answer.
Yeah. So 1 is gone. 2 into. Now what? Either you do it over here only by 2.
1 by 2.
But when you write it, you should be able to understand how you wrote it.
1 by 2 is the answer.
Yes.
2 into 1 into 1 by 2 the whole square. Cos 0 is 1.
So what was Parinita saying about converting that ratio into tan?
If you can do this way also. No, sin x upon cos x is tan x. So directly tan x upon x लिख सकते हैं और 2 sin square x by 2 upon x square लिख सकते हैं.
Then tan x upon x is 1 itself.
Yeah, it is a faster method. But I wanted to show you, even if you have an extra term, it will be substituted and it will go away. So my aim was to show you that. But in the examination, you may do this way also. I hope all of you have completed this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you got some idea for this? क्या कर सकते हैं?
Sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin theta.
Yes.
Sort of the same.
Yes, sir. That also formula is there.
3 sin theta minus 4 sin theta.
Minus 4 sin cube theta.
Everybody remember this formula?
Yes.
See, we'll keep on coming all the problems.
Yes, sir.
Why do we keep on making you do this? So that trigonometric formula you don't forget. So excellent. Nirmay. Good. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is called presence of mind. When you see that problem, immediately the idea should come in your mind that this formula to be applied. So 3 sin x will get cancelled. Minus of minus plus. Four goes outside. Sin x upon x the whole cube.
Four only.
1 cube. I hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all trigonometry formula type of questions are completed. Now, simple form problems. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can I change the page, dear?
Yes, sir. Sir, the formulas are getting strong now in the mind because of this.
This is what we'll do. 11th, 12th is full of this only. You will be you will become perfect and perfect as we do more and more problems. X cos x plus sin x divided by sin 3x plus cos 2x. X cos 2x. So, whenever we have like this, you understood this x cos 2x?
Yes, sir.
I am teaching you something. Here, there is no formula. You cannot apply any formula cos A plus cos B or anything because of the presence of this x. And secondly, we have only formula of sine with cos. We don't have. We have formula only with sine with sine. So what you have to do here? Just look. Don't write. You need an x denominator of sine x. You need an x denominator of sine 3x. Then only we can do the problem. So that makes you understand that divide numerator and denominator by x. Don't write, okay? Just listen now. If you do that, this problem will become x cos x upon x
Plus sin
Plus sin x
upon x
divided by
Sin 3x upon x
upon x
plus
x
x cos 2x upon x.
upon x.
So this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. Now we can apply the limit and write your answer. Only thing, we need a 3 here, so which you can divide and multiply. So next step I will be writing in this. एक और step में लिख लेगा हूँ. Cos x plus sin x upon x divided by
Sin 3x upon 3x
upon 3x
into 3
plus cos
2x.
Now we'll apply the limit. So my answer will become cos 0
plus, okay, cos 0 direct.
plus 1 divided by 1 into
1
3
into 3
plus cos 0. Understood? Cos 0?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2 into 0 becomes 0.
Cos 0
0
value
is
is 1.
1 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1.
3 plus
1 or 2
2 by
2 by 4
4
equal to 1 by 2.
So the limit of this function is 1 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Sir, can you explain that why did you divide it by x?
If you see a sin x, unless you have x down, you cannot solve it. So I saw a sin x here. I saw a sin x here. Unless I bring an x, I cannot do this problem. Now bringing an x, I cannot do like this. I can do this way also. Or what you do is divide the whole numerator and denominator by x.
Hmm.
So that is a better method than doing that into x. So when you need an x here, you can't divide only this. You'll have to divide the whole thing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, for then basically we divide by x for two reasons then. To get x in the denominator and to eliminate that x.
Yes, yes. Eliminate x is not our important criteria. Bringing x is our important criteria. Automatically x get eliminated.
Once you bring x, automatically x will get eliminated.
So we'll have to write there, divide numerator and denominator by x. And then do the problem. I think I covered almost all the questions. One important question.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, how that minus became plus, sir?
Oh, it was minus, then it is minus. So I made him blunder. Okay, do one thing, we change of the question to plus. I'm sorry. Change the question to plus. I think it was plus only in the beginning when I did the problem, but when I
Yes,
wrapped it,
sir. Yes, sir.